Hello dear students, in this video we are going to see the plane coordinate geometry part 3 section formula. Myself Professor Vaishali Bharat Golab. The section formula, there are two formulas. The coordinates of the points which divide the line internally in the ratio of ms to n, and another is coordinates of the points which divide the line externally in the ratio of ms to n. First of all, we are going to see the coordinates of the points which divide the line internally in the ratio of ms to n. In your syllabus, only formulas are there, no proof in your syllabus, but to understand the formula clearly, I have given the figure and with the short explanation about that formula. See, this is the line AB, okay, and this point P which divide the line in the ratio of ms to n. Point A coordinates are x1, y1, point B coordinates are x2, y2. We assume there is one point P whose coordinates are x and y. Okay, see, we have to draw the line AL, PN and BM perpendicular to x-axis. Then AH and PK drawn parallel to x-axis. I will repeat. We have to draw the AL, PN and BM perpendicular to x-axis, and AH and PK are drawn parallel to x-axis. Now, by drawing this line, we can say that the PAH equal to BPK. These two angles are corresponding angle because these lines are parallel. PK and AH are parallel to x-axis. Also, we can it is observed that the PHA and BKP are right angle triangle, means 90 degree. By using the similarity criteria, we can write, or it is clearly observed in this figure, that triangle AHP is similar to triangle PKB. Okay, so we can write AP divided by BP. AP divided by BP is equal to AH upon PK is also equal to PH upon BK. Okay. As I had told in distance formula as well as basic concept of the plane coordinate geometry, this is A, means A is at x1 distance from the y-axis, y1 is A is from y1 distance from the x-axis, means this is x1 and this is y1. Okay. Now this is y and this is x. As we know, OL is x1 and ON is x. Then we can write AH as a x minus x1. Similarly, it will be the y minus y1. Okay. AH and PH will be, AH will be x minus x1 and PH will be y minus y1. Similarly for PK, see, this will be ON will be x and OM will be x2. Then PK will be x2 minus x. Then BK. BK will be, see, this is y2 and this is y. Then BK will be y2 minus y. Okay. So we can write AP is M, BP is N is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus 1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus 1. By simplifying this, we will get the coordinates of the points which divide the line in the proportion of ms to n. X coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus my1 divided by m plus n. This is a y coordinate and this is x coordinate. This is a section formula, internal division. Now we are going to solve one problem. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line joining the 2 points, that is 6, 7, 8, 9 internally in the ratio of 3:7. Means what is given? x1, y1, x2, y2 and mn n is given. By using the section formula which divide the line internally in the ratio of ms to n, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. By putting the value mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, we will get x is equal to 6.6. Then y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n is equal to, putting the value of my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, we will get 7.6. Means coordinates of the points is 6.6 and 7.6. This is 6.6 is the x coordinate and 7.6 is the y coordinate. Now another problem. Find the coordinates of the midpoints joining the points 2, 4 and 6, 8. See, midpoint means what will be the m is to n? M is to n will be 1:1. Then what will be the x coordinate? X coordinate will be x2 plus x1 divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 1, and y coordinate will be y2 plus y1 divided by m plus 1. M plus n means 1 plus 1. Here you can see, as x2 is 6, m is 1 plus 1 into x1 is 2. That will give the 4. 4 is the x coordinate and y is the 6. Means coordinates of the midpoints which join the 2 points, that is 2, 4 and 6, 8. The midpoint of that line will be at the point 4, 6. 4 is the x coordinate, 6 is the y coordinate. Okay, this is the example of the midpoint. Now another section formula for external division. Here point P which divide the line externally in the ratio of ms to n. Similarly, we can prove this equation and the coordinate will be mx2 minus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. What is the difference? Only in external division there is a replacement of plus sign, we write here minus sign. Okay. Now we are going to solve the problem. Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line externally. Point joining points are 2, 1, 5, 7 in the ratio of 2:3. What is given? x1, y1 that is 2, 1, x2, y2 that is 5, 7 and ms to n is 2, 3. By putting the values, x will be mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. By putting the value of mx2 and nx1 and mn, we will get minus 4 as the x coordinate and y is equal to my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. We will get minus 11. These are the coordinates of the points which divide the line externally. X coordinate will be minus 4, y coordinate will be minus 11. This is the example of the coordinates of the points which divide the line externally in the ratio of ms to n. This is all about section formula. Thank you.